Hey everybody, we want to welcome you to Toyota New Bern Collision Center. My name's Garrett, I'm the Collision Center Manager. We're going to take a walk, look at some of the things that we do, some of the things we specialize in, and see what we can show you. We can pretty much take on anything from simple bumper repairs to complex structural damage. We'll walk back to the paint shop and I'll show you some of the things we do as far as getting the refinish process going. All right, we're back in the paint shop. This is our state-of-the-art paint booth. Return your car back to where the factory had it prior to your accident or whatever problem you had. Like I said earlier, we can do anything from bumper repairs and painting to all over paint jobs, which is in the booth inside. So whenever you experience any kind of issues with your vehicle as far as automotive repair and collision work, come on down and see us. Give us a call, set up a free estimate. We'll do the best we can.